Morning everybody. In today's video we're working on a Hyundai 1000cc car. The fourth cylinder is oval shaped, so we had to strip the engine down, but in this one we're going to be rebuilding it and putting it back in and getting it started. Hope you enjoy it. Yeah, there we go. See you later. It's looking a lot better than what it was, huh? I just want to spray the bonnet off quickly because it's going to dry and leave stripes. On my wife's car because bumpers are scarce and super expensive. Now we've got to fabricate brackets to fix it, and then we're going to put the covers back and get it all buttoned down nicely, and we need to check the prop shaft on my car. Swap bearings around.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're gonna put this one, and I'm gonna swap it with this one here because it has a nice clearance, and I think it was this one.
So
And it says
basically
that
just
we're
changing.
just gonna change it around, see if there is difference in it. So if I put this one there, and I get 0.38, and this one when I put it here, and I get 0.076.
So we're only changing the one bearing, but surely the bearings are all the same size.
Yeah, but you must check because we need to determine if it's the bearing that's messing us around,
Or if it's
or
the
if it's
crank
the journal,
itself.
The journal itself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Still pretty loose. Does this head use stretch bolts?
No.
Okay. I've never really been a fan of a stretch bolt.
Like high performance head, most high performance motors use stretch bolts.
Yeah, I know. Problem is you can't reuse it. You gotta replace everything.
They tend to sheet a bit better.
Here comes the fun part. the inside and work my way out. And then you can just talk them. Yeah, sinus season. Okay. Talk them down. Close. That was a bit crappy. The rest went so bad. $23. I can't believe that it's so little. On the BMW, you've got to get this angle right and that angle and torque it.
Different specs, different engines.
There we go. Should we see if it spins? Well, how easy it does. There's the nice. That's a slip job of the rods and the pistons.
Yes.
Okay. As you can see, my lens is all full of oil, and I'll clean it now. But the orientation of the crank is the lowest point to center at the highest, because we're going to do the two outside pistons and rods first. What's the ring gaps on these things?
I'm just confirm with you.
So Here we're busy checking the ring gaps. Okay. Lined up, huh? There we go, spot on.
So the specification says a minimum of 0.15, so we'll start with 0.15. Okay, 0.15 is going through.
Okay, so we're okay.
We're okay.
Excellent. So we got the rings on. Everything looks good. Here comes the crappy part of pushing them in. We've got the base of the hammer, then we can just tap it on the top. As you can see on the piston, there's an arrow which is for the front of the engine. So we've orientated it for the front. Done with the rotating assembly, we're just doing plastic gauge to make sure that all the clearances are correct. And then we can put the head on. Yay! Okay, so that's done. Now we're doing the oil pan. We're going to do the pickup. Oil pump is on. This over here is the oil pump. Yeah, but the proper way. I didn't use 3 liters of silicone on the bottom of my sump. This guy must, I'm sure everything in his house is stuck together with gasket maker because he loves it. So I'm slowly trying to scrape this rubbish off, but yeah.
That should do it.
The seat here. Around the inside a bit.
Inside now.
Okay, just like that, eh? Okay, sump is on. Bottom end's done. Now we get to do the head gasket and the head, all the fiddly little bits. What's the torque set? 10. Oh wow. High performance motor. Okay, so there is the head gasket. Now comes the head. Wrapping myself up in your chains here. Okay, so the motor's going in. Slowly. Oh.
Find the third part.
Okay, so you said there's 3.
Yes. And we had 2 extra. Find
That's
the other
right.
missing part.
And I just got to line the second bolt hole up.
Find that
One on the end.
Yeah. Make it easier for you. There you go.
It's too thick to go through the
Okay.
shaft.
Must be one of those.
Same problem.
Is it not threaded?
No, it's not threaded. With the
Okay, well then let's put that on. You gonna do it?
yeah, I'll do it. I'm just trying to loosen this. Here we have the table of gamblers. Busy gambling.
I do not give consent.
All sorts of vices. Hello, Sash.
It's my human right.
Hello, Sash.
I do not give consent.
Ah, Sash. Starter. Starter. Amazing how faded it goes, huh? What's it now? Looks like there was a water leak here at one stage.
Yeah, by the same as that.
It's a common problem with these cars.
No.
Almost dropped it in there. That didn't mean a problem. That's the speed sensor that you're busy with now. Why is it not lining up? No man, why would it not line up? Really? Well, let me see if I can help you. So we're getting there, Clint. It's looking good. Intake's on. We've got to do now is the power steering pump, exhaust manifold, wiring, radiator, and then we should be ready to rock and roll. As you can see from the vlog, we're almost done. Intake's on, batteries in, just the spark plugs now, airbox, CVs are in. Just got to do the left side caliper, and then we swing the engine over and see if it starts. Okay, swing it over. Okay. Yeah, it's looking good. Spark plug time. I can smell fuel everywhere, and you've got oil pressure. So we're about to start this engine. Hopefully all goes well and the piston doesn't come out the exhaust. I hope so. What about you?
I don't know.
I'll slit my wrists in the bath. Swap one of them around so we can make the neighbors. Okay. That should be it. Okay, swing it over. Let's see. See if it goes bang. It's alive! Alive! Now we never connected the exhaust. Sounds like a V8. Yay! So yeah, there we go. It's done. It's running. Yay! Maybe we can have an early night tonight. Yeah. Thanks, guys. Catch you at the next video. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, so that I can start doing this as for permanence and not work ever again a day in my life.
You're always gonna have to work.
Yeah, but I can jump on trampolines and ride bikes and, you know, and get views for doing that sort of stuff. Take care. Cheers.